Hello guys, welcome to the Forex Remote Trading, and this is Imran with you. So today I'm going to analyze commodities crude oil and natural gas for Monday, that is 23rd March. So let's go crude oil first. Guys, crude oil, if you will see the crude oil at 4-hour time frame here, then the crude oil is in this range. Okay, the range is like, this is a point of interest. Every time the market is coming to this point of interest, that is 8600, and upside, that is 9330. Okay, it went to 9400. So guys, if you will come on the 30 minutes time frame, okay, what is happening in the crude oil? The market, see here market did the break of structure, and then market comes down, and it takes this liquidity, and then market went upside. Okay, market went upside, again came to the same point of interest. Okay, and again the market went upside. Okay, and then after, market did not come to this point of interest, and again from here, then again market came here, and then induced, market came here. This, all the buyers get induced, there a lot of liquidity available here. So again market is here. So my analysis is market should fall from here. If technically I'm telling you, the market should fall from here, and the target should be like 8,400. Okay, 8,400, the target should be 8,400 from here, with a stop loss like 9440, because there is no liquidity available to this from above this level. So you can put the stop loss 9430 and can take the entry. If the market just come to the from this point 9200, you can enter in the crude oil for the downside. If the market open the gap up, okay, gap up above 9450, then you will see the above target like 9500, 9600, and 9900. This target you can see in the upside if the market open the gap down. Okay, but technically I'm telling you, market is in this range. Okay, so already market has did the liquidity sweep to this level. It should come, because this all the buyers get induced, that a lot of liquidity available. The market should comes down, take all the liquidity, so it should come to take all this liquidity. So should come like as I am telling you, 8400, 8390. Okay, so this is the analysis of the crude oil. So guys, please like, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon, so that whenever I post a new video, you will be get informed. So guys, let's come on the natural gas. What will be the prediction for natural gas on Monday? So this is the natural gas. Okay, if you will come on the 4-hour time frame in the natural gas is also behaving in this range. See, this is the range 304.60, and downside is 271.50. The market is is behaving in this range. So let's come on the 30-minute time frame, so that I can show you the clear picture of the natural gas. Okay, see, from here, from this point the market went upside. Okay, to 3.30, right? And then after, what happened? Market came down to the same point of interest. See, got my point? and then after what happened, market went up and just take this liquidity 305.20, okay, and then it came down to this on the same point of interest. Got my point? This is the 271.60, and again market went upside, and see, take the liquidity on the same level 305, okay. Got my point? Now the market should come downside, okay. This technically I'm telling you, market should come downside. If on the news basis it go upside, okay. So market should, I'm just trying to come downside. See here, has taken the liquidity sweep, and then see, higher high, higher low, and just coming downside. So from here you can take the entry. This is the liquidity already taken by the market, okay. This point you can enter 290.70 by putting the stop loss 293, okay, and target you can put 272. So market should come to downside. So this is all the buyers are getting induced, all the liquidity available, buyers getting induced. So the market should come to take all the liquidity down to 70.50, and then you can see the very good momentum on the buy side. If the market will open gap up, guys, okay, if the market will open gap up like above 308, you can see the target to the upside like 312, 314, 316. This is all the liquidity available here, okay, and 320 and 322, okay. So this is the analysis of the natural gas. So guys, how you like my analysis? Please like, subscribe my video and press the bell icon. Okay, bye, have a nice day.